It's almost flat. I've actually got the battery station just kind of underneath it holding it. So, you know, you're gonna find this with any solar panel system. You really need good sunlight and you really need that good angle. Those kickstands are great for when the sun is coming up in the morning or when the sun is going down in the evening, as long as you've got a clear shot. As soon as you start getting any cloud cover, or even where I was at before, where I had some trees and some leaves, it's gonna cut down that input considerably. With this 82 watts in, this pack will be fully recharged in 1 hour and 46 minutes. And like I said, it was down below 50%. I am impressed with these panels. The reviews are actually really good on Amazon. Right now on Amazon, the regular price is $129.99. There's apparently a coupon you can clip that'll get you down to $99.99, which is just not a bad price for a 110 watt panel. Like I said, it's a good panel. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed, and you'll probably see me carrying this one a lot just because it folds up. It's compact, it's thin, it's got all the connectors I could ever use for any power station right there with it. If I get more than one of them, I can hook them together.